Alright, this is a Honda Rancher ES carburetor, and this is the reason that we use ethanol-free fuel. There's some fresh jelly there. Well, I guess maybe it's not fresh. It's been there, been growing for a couple of years now. The inside of the carburetor bowl is pretty gross, and this is not too bad except for where the float hinge pin goes through. That I don't think that float pin's going to come out very easily. We may end up just replacing the carburetor. And the choke cable was also broken, and of course this is the part of the choke here. I had to use the pliers to pull that out. It didn't want to come out on its own, and some parts of it are just in really bad shape. It originally came to me because they put fuel in the tank and it all ran down into the air filter box, which was caused by all this junk here. So that seems to be okay. It's just it's all gunked up. There was a bunch of water actually inside the bowl, and it was just really gross. I'm gonna have to probably soak that if we decide to rebuild the carburetor. And this is why you use the ethanol-free gas, and I believe the website to find it in your local area is pure-gas.org. I'm not sure. I'll double check on that, and I'll put it in the description. If you have any questions, ask me. If I don't know the answer, I'll give you some smart aleck response, or I'll try to make something up to entertain you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.